And anything else that you would like to add for the viewers?
Well, the reason I'm on the call today is because of the Billy product. And I had an opportunity to do a webinar last week and to run through the product. And, there are many different types of insurance verification programs out there. But from my perspective, one of the biggest barriers to implementing those programs is the amount of time it takes to set it up and to get it going. And one of the things I found really interesting about Billy and was educated by this is that many contractors, and I'm aware of Procore and Autodesk, they're very pervasive in the industry. I have many clients that use one or both. And even if they're not using it, maybe the general contractor that they're working with, or the developer that they're working with, may be utilizing these systems. And what impressed me about Billy was the fact that apparently 70% of all projects are managed through either one or both of Procore and Autodesk. And building in that integration ability to take a lot of the information for, the prime contractor, the subcontractor, the developer, the architect, the engineer, to be able to migrate that information from systems that are already in place that have a lot of the information to build it out, I think is really key, because it limits the amount of time and energy that has to be put into setting up these processes, which I think is typically the main barrier. People want to set these things up and do them the right way and understand them, but they're also typically dealing with many other issues, whether it's accounts receivable or, taking care of employees or managing the HR program or dealing with the federal government. I mean, it's amazing to me, from my perspective, to see small to medium-sized businesses, the number of requirements and areas that they have to focus on in order to be able to be profitable and to do things the right way and to avoid liabilities. It's coming at them from all areas. So the more that these systems can be put in place without having to dedicate, dozens, if not hundreds of man hours to put them in place, the better.